Understanding your insurance deductible. How to save more without sacrificing coverage. You've got insurance to protect what matters. But when it's time to file a claim, one number can make a big difference. Your deductible. Most people glance over it, but your deductible plays a major role in how much you pay out of pocket and how much you pay each month. Let's break it down. First, what is a deductible? It's the amount you agree to pay out of pocket before your insurance company starts covering the rest. Let's say your car is damaged and the repair cost is $2,000. If your deductible is $500, you pay the first $500, and your insurer covers the remaining $1,500. So why does this matter? Because choosing the right deductible can save you money. It's essential to know how to balance it. Let's look at a few real-life scenarios. 1. Low deductible equals higher premiums. If you want to pay less out of pocket after an accident or claim, you'll want a low deductible, but that usually means you'll pay more each month. This is ideal for individuals who value peace of mind or anticipate frequent use of their insurance. 2. High deductible equals lower premiums. If you don't file claims often and can cover a higher out-of-pocket cost in an emergency, a higher deductible may be the smarter move. You'll enjoy lower monthly payments, and over time, that can add up to real savings. 3. Emergency savings plus smart coverage. Pairing a high deductible with an emergency fund can give you the best of both worlds, affordable premiums and peace of mind. Just make sure the deductible amount is something you can afford if something unexpected happens. Here's the big idea. Your deductible isn't just a number, it's a strategy. Choosing the right deductible helps you protect your budget, your assets, and your future. And you don't have to figure it out alone. Call Klinger Insurance Group at 301-428-4935. We'll help you review your current policies, explore your options, and make sure you're getting the protection and savings you deserve. Klinger Insurance Group, your trusted partner in protection